Hey guys, Toadstone here, and today I would like to welcome you to my new setup. I can walk around, do whatever I want, and everything. It's completely perfect. Really like it so far. Alright, I just really love it, because I can walk around, wave my hands, and act like an absolute idiot, which I love, because I'm an idiot. Ooh, orange juice. My favorite. So, just wanted to make a quick video introducing my new setup. Yeah. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to upload a 40-second video to YouTube. Sorry, I don't remember where I left off. But something about not uploading a 40-second video to YouTube. But I decided that I would do a Fidget Cube review just to consume time. Why the heck not? Alright, now you can see my beautiful cluster over there. Let me aim you down. There we go. I'm joking. So, here's my Fidget Cube right here. It was probably about, not very much on Wish. Orange juice. So, just gonna mess around with it, jack around with the buttons. So we have one side that's all spinny, one side that's kind of also spinny, one side that's clicky and spinny, one side that's clicky, one side that lets you caress it, which is kind of weird, and my personal favorite side, light switch! Light switch. Favorite part. Ooh. Let's see the drops that it can survive. Alright, so I am going to drop this off my bed. Let's go. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, crap. Okay, want to see how stupid I am? Look no further than this channel. Got the Fidget Cube. I thought I heard it break or something, but it seems to be still in perfect condition, which is perfect. I'll see you dudesters in the next one.